Here we got a Crescent 25 horsepower, 2-stroke. Just fixed it. Cleaned the points. New point. New water pump. Cleaned that all out. Cleaned the carb. So runs quite well. It's not in bad condition. A little bit tatty paintwork, but works well, shifts well. So look under here. It's not too bad inside. Fairly clean. A little bit cruddy, but oh well. And yeah, give it a fire up. Got the Crescent in the water now. Started second pull. A little bit smoky, but it's 2-stroke, so what do you expect? Pumping well. Forward, neutral, reverse. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.